Hi, this video is on how to share from Google Drive, a Google document, how to share it, how to create it, how to download it, how to copy it. So in Google, in any Google product, a Google Calendar, Google Maps, Gmail, any of those, you will see these 9 dots. And these 9 dots allow you to go to your Google Drive, which is where you have the Google documents, slideshows, forms, spreadsheets, all of those things. So when you go to your Google Drive, then on the left, you will see the word New. Click on the word New, and you can upload a file. You can have a file that is created in Word or Excel, and you can upload it and save it as a Google Doc, but you can create a brand new one. So we're going to create a new Google document from a new blank document. If you just click on New Google Doc, you will get a blank sheet of paper. Now on this blank sheet of paper, you will be able to write whatever you want, insert pictures, any of that you need to do. I will write on this piece of paper. I can indent with a tab. I can even write, depending on your computer, I can even write orally in Google Docs. It depends again on your computer whether you have that ability. While I'm making this video, it will not let me do voice typing, but this is where it is under Tools, Voice Typing. So you can speak your document, you can copy and paste, you can do all of the things that you can do in Microsoft Word in a Google document. You do want to give it a name where it says Untitled Document. If you just click, it will put your first line. So if you have a title, that will go there. This is going to be a practice document, is what I'm going to call that. And it will save it in my drive. Now I want to share this document with somebody else so that we can write on it together. So see the word share over here in the top right. When I click on share, it will give me the options to write other people's names and email addresses. So I will share it with an address, and you say they can edit, they can comment, or they can view. You can give them any of those options. If you only want them to be able to look at it and not change anything, make sure you say view. But I want the other person to also be able to write on this document with me, so I need to give them permission to edit. You do need to have The other person needs to have a Google account, so you need to find out what their Gmail address is. And you can write a note. Here is our new project. Please comment on the proposed agenda. I can give an agenda. The other person can comment on it, right on that document, and send. Now the other person will get an invitation saying that they have been invited to this document to share this with me. I can also, if somebody shares a document to me, let's say this is somebody else's document, and I really want to save a copy of it on my own computer, I can go to File and Make a Copy. So even if I don't have permission to edit their document, I can still save it in an editable form. So I can say, make a copy, and I get copy of practice document. I can change that name to my version of the practice document. And you can share it again, or you can just keep it for yourself. So if you're sharing with someone and you want to be really sure that you keep a copy in case they mess it up, I sometimes do that, just make a copy just so that I have one. Or it's a really great document, but it's not something I do have access to editing. I make a copy and then I can use it as mine. You also can download it. Let's say you want to post it on Canvas and you must post as Microsoft Word or you must post as a PDF. Then you can download as Microsoft Word. You can download as PDF. And one good thing to know is you can download as a docx, as a Microsoft Word document, even if you don't have Microsoft Word on your computer. You might not be able to open it on your computer, but you can download it as Word and then attach it to an email or upload it to Canvas or whatever you need to do. So from a Google document, that Google document is online. All of Google is in the cloud, but you can save a copy on your computer and you can save it as Microsoft Word, an open document, rich text, a PDF. You have all of these options. So whatever format your teacher wants you to submit, you can still use Google Docs and be able to do that. You can also email it as an attachment. So instead of sharing it, you can email it as an attachment, but that doesn't necessarily give the other person the right to edit with you. So the reason to share it is that you want the other person to also be able to join this document so that you can do collaborative work. So you can create a Google document, you can share it, you can copy it to make it yours, you can download it as Word or as a PDF, and you can create as many of them as you want.